And as India and China disengage at the Pangong Lake in eastern Ladakh, the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi is asking, what about other areas? Rahul Gandhi has accused the Modi government of giving up Indian territory to China. Addressing a press conference today, Rahul Gandhi said that it is the responsibility of the Prime Minister to protect the territory of this country. Countering the government stand, Rahul Gandhi says that Indian land was given away and that the Prime Minister must explain. Remember, his attack on the government comes a day after the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh assured Parliament that India has not conceded anything in the sustained talks with China and that it will not allow even an inch of its territory to be taken away by anyone.
दूसरी बात जो स्ट्रेटेजिक एरिया है डेप्सांग प्लेन्स का, जहां चाइना अंदर आया है, उसके बारे में एक शब्द नहीं बोला डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ने। वहां बैठे हुए हैं। गोगरा और हॉट स्प्रिंग्स के बारे में एक शब्द नहीं बोला, वहां बैठे हुए हैं।
हमने कुछ भी खोया नहीं है सभापति महोदय। सदन को यह भी जानकारी देना चाहता हूं, अभी भी यलेची पर डिप्लॉयमेंट तथा पेट्रोलिंग के बारे में कुछ आउटस्टैंडिंग इश्यूज बचे हुए हैं। इन पर हमारा ध्यान आगे की बातचीत में रहेगा। जो भी निर्णय आज दोनों पक्षों द्वारा अप्रैल 2020 से नॉर्थ एंड साउथ बैंक पर किया गया है, उन्हें हटा दिया जाएगा और पुरानी स्थिति बना दी जाएगी।
And let's go across to Sunil Prabhu for more. Sunil, what exactly are the Congress's allegations here? Because these are strong charges, given the fact that this was the Defence Minister making a statement on the floor of the Parliament, giving an assurance to the country via Parliament, in Parliament, that India has not conceded anything in talks with China.
Well, Sarah, as you are well aware, the Ministry of Defence has to come out with a statement to explain its position after those remarks that were made, because and we must point out, on the floor of the House, the former Defence Minister, Mr. A.K. Anthony, was all set, armed with files and the maps to question the Defence Minister, Mr. Rajnath Singh, citing national security, which is the clause that they use. They were not ready for any questions or interventions by the former Defence Minister, as Mr. Rajnath Singh made that statement in the Rajya Sabha yesterday, because rules permit him to seek clarifications. But Mr. Piyush Goyal went to Mr. Anthony, requested him, and they used, of course, the grounds of national security not to ask those questions. It's after that the Congress party did make a statement yesterday, went back, spoke with their defence experts, rechecked the maps, re-looked at various points, and this morning we saw Rahul Gandhi, ahead of his trip to Rajasthan, make that statement and hold that press conference answering our questions on various points. Well, it's well conceded and well understood that Finger 8 is the patrolling point, as has been pointed out in the Ministry of Defence statement. The fact is that it was always only patrolling rights. It is Finger 4 that India had a domain control. We have now shifted to Finger 3. Why is that? That is the question. Why have we given up the Kailash range? Why is it that we have not talked about Dipsang and other areas? And it's of course in that the Defence Minister has clarified through its statement that in the next 48 hours they will continue negotiations. But the political point that everybody has made, even at the all-party meeting, is that status quo ante, as of April 20, should be restored. And you cannot change the boundaries, because the Chinese have the habit of taking 100 steps, backing out, and then keeping 10 steps ahead. So that's the reason why they want that status quo ante to be restored. And I think that's the political point that the Congress party is trying to make, that please don't try to change our boundaries.
All right, so the Congress trying to make a political point with the one former Defence Minister taking on the current Defence Minister. Thanks, Sunil, for clarifying all of that.